Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef rendang updated. Start by searing beef in batches to build deep browning and render fat. Toast and grind whole spices, then blend with aromatics into a smooth paste. Simmer beef gently in coconut milk and spice paste until oils separate and meat is tender. Finish with toasted coconut for texture and adjust salt to taste before serving with steamed rice. Gather ingredients and prep is half the work, so be thoughtful and organized. Measure spices and chop aromatics before you start cooking to keep the process smooth. Toast whole spices briefly to amplify fragrance, then grind them into a paste with chilies and aromatics. Use full-fat coconut milk and low heat to slowly reduce the sauce. The sauce should become thick and oily as flavors concentrate. Sear in batches to avoid steaming, then remove and cook the spice paste until fragrant and oily. Return beef and enough coconut milk to barely cover, scrape brown bits, and simmer slowly. Skim any excess foam and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Reduce until the sauce coats the meat and oil separates, which indicates readiness. Taste and adjust salt or a touch of palm sugar to balance the savory notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.